I'm talking to Ruben Such of IPE. Ruben, great to see you again.
And you?
We're looking forward to IBC. What are the big stories going to be when we get to Amsterdam in September?
Well, I think it's the sort of the standard ones that's been going around the industry for many months now in terms of the audio over IP and the sort of SIMT ratification, etc. For me personally, I mean, a lot of my technicians will be looking inside of that in terms of our product manager will. So in terms of developing our product range moving forward for the latest standards. For me, I'm very interested in the whole HMI type discussions that are going on about at the moment in terms of how we can improve our product to, how the user integration and the user interface of our products is a more seamless process, really. That's what I'll be looking into. So
standardization is really important to you?
Yeah, definitely. And I think because then that fits in with the clients' sort of tight workflows now that we're seeing. The clients have got very specific requirements. They want to have the latest and the greatest, and so as a vendor and as an installer, we have to make sure that we adhere to these policies and provide the client a solution that they're going to be happy with and a future-proof, really.
Terrific. So your product, you talk about installations, but you have this wonderful product, ITS. People talk about it as the best unknown product in the industry. Tell us a bit about what it is and what it does.
So in a nutshell, it's a very dynamic signage solution for broadcasters. So it harvests technical information from across a network and it puts the user in control of that information that they take in. It allows monitoring, it allows control of cameras, it allows dynamic video control and signage implementation as well. So it's a very expandable and scalable solution now for broadcast and many other areas.
And that's a big thing at the moment, isn't it? They're bringing together lots of different systems into one convenient operational area.
Exactly that, and it's not so much even it's not just limited to the actual the sort of the workflow elements and the sort of technical specification. It's also down to the convergence between different markets now, as you're seeing between IT, broadcast, AV. So we're having to shift our patterns as a company to adopt all of these policies from different areas and make our products more applicable to different areas.
Are you seeing IBC as an opportunity to get into some of these adjacent markets, people like telcos?
Definitely, and also as a company we're looking at different markets at different shows throughout the year as well. So I was out in Vegas at April post NAB for a different sort of a gaming show. There are obviously, ISE is a big one for us as well in terms of AV, but IBC is a very good platform for different companies from different sectors, from global markets, coming into one area, and they're all CTOs, they're all, they're decision makers as well. So it's a great place for us.
And what are you going to be showing them? Anything new at IBC?
We have. I'm not allowed to say about two of the items at the moment, I'm afraid, as usual, but our press company are going to be releasing information very soon. But yes, I mean, we've been spending a lot of time revising our current products at the moment to make it more streamlined, but we've got some really, really exciting features to come out as well. But I'll make sure that you're the first to know when it does come out.
That's great. We look forward to seeing them in Amsterdam in September.
Thanks very much.
Thanks very much.